Hello everyone, welcome back in the new series of object-oriented programming. And the topic for today is create a basic JavaScript object. Think about the things people see every day, like cars, shops, and birds. These are all objects, tangible things people can observe and interact with. What are some qualities of these objects? A car has wheels. Shops sell items, birds have wings. These qualities or properties define what makes up an object. Note that similar objects share same property but may have different values for those properties. For example, all cars have wheels but not all cars have the same number of wheels. Objects in JavaScript are used to model real world objects, giving them properties and behavior, just like their real world counterparts. Here is an example using these concepts to create a duck object. So duck object will have here two properties, name and num legs to denote number of legs. This duck object has two property or value pairs, a name of a flag and a num legs of 2. What is the task for this challenge? Create a dog object with the name and num legs property and set them to a string and a number respectively. Easy to do. Name, simple name tiger, and for num legs 4. Run the tests and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.